I got an avh-w4500NEX. Okay, let's drive. When you put on drive, let's see what happens. I'm having my driver right here. We're going, and I think after 10 miles an hour it does that. So we're gonna see it. So it's telling me that after 10 miles an hour it's gonna shut off. The screen will shut off. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to turn this whole system off by pressing this button right there, the source button or the off button, and wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Okay, once it turned back on, you press it again. The menu, basically you got to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you need to set on like that. And then now let's drive and see what happens. We're gonna go past 10 miles and oh, I gotta play the DVD. So the DVD is playing while you are below 10 miles an hour. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now it's okay. Now we're driving more than 10 miles an hour right there. 10 miles. Yep. He's gonna go hit 20. So it's still playing, so we're good. We are good, right?
Yep.
Yep.
It's good.
It's good now. He's going, you see, 35 miles per hour. We are good to go. That's how you bypass the brake switch for Pioneer avh-w4500NEX. That's it now. Enjoy.